Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad to be back with you all. Today I'm going to share with you this amazing marry-me chicken and mushrooms recipe. Let's get started. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look at our ingredients. Here I have my chicken already well seasoned, and I'll show you that process in just a minute. I have some mushrooms, spinach. I'll be using some heavy whipping cream, some chicken broth. I have garlic, onions, some cherry tomatoes, as well as Parmesan cheese for the seasoning. I'll be using paprika, seasoned salt, black pepper, some complete seasoning, chicken bouillon, Italian herbs, and a pinch of sugar. So for my chicken, I'll be seasoning with some garlic and onion powder, chicken bouillon, black pepper, seasoned salt, paprika, and some sazon. So you want to mix those well to combine. Once they are well combined, you want to add a little oil just to help the seasoning adhere to the chicken, and then you want to add those seasonings and make sure they are well incorporated. Make sure your chicken is nicely coated with the seasonings. Once we are done, we'll let it sit and marinate for about an hour. Here I've preheated a skillet, and I will go ahead and sear the chicken on both sides. Remember, you do not have to cook it all the way through now because we'll be making a sauce, and we will allow it to continue cooking later on in that sauce. So once they're nice and brown on one side, flip them over, allow them to brown on the other side. Once they're brown on both sides, you want to remove them and carry on with the same process until you are all done. Today I'm using chicken breast and thighs, but feel free to use any part of the chicken that you prefer. So here you see me sauteing my onions, mushrooms. I will add my garlic and my tomatoes and let those go for about 3 to 4 minutes, allowing them to soften up a bit. Once the mushrooms and the aromatics are softened, you want to deglaze your skillet with your chicken broth. It will add a lovely color to this dish because you know all the burnt bits and stuff. It is flavor and it adds color to this. So you see that gorgeous color there? That's what I'm talking about. Now you want to go in with your heavy whipping cream, give it a good stir, and allow everything to come up to a simmer before adding the rest of the ingredients. Here is the part where you want to add your seasoning to add flavor and taste, but remember not to overdo it because your Parmesan cheese is salty and you don't want to overpower this dish. So go light on your seasoning. You want to give everything a stir and allow it to thicken. Once it thickens, that's when you want to introduce your chicken breast back into the pot. Allow them to go for about like 5 minutes or so just to make sure that they are fully cooked all the way through. And once they are cooked through, you want to add your spinach in last, and that's basically it, guys. The dish is all done, quick, easy, and simple, but absolutely amazing. Now that this is done, we can get ready to plate and enjoy. Now I did serve this with some sauteed garlic green beans and mashed potatoes. Super simple, but my family enjoyed it, and I can't wait for you guys to give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.